Hello dear viewer, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video with ChatGPT prompt. It's very interesting video for interesting and important for beginners and all of us, those who don't know use best ChatGPT prompt. Let's get start with Rafiq. Okay, let's let's see how to use this. Now I open a ChatGPT prompt ChatGPT interface, and I first should to get a best prompt or result for ChatGPT. First need to clear command for ChatGPT. Let's follow. Today you role play with me as a YouTube SEO expert expert SEO expert. Just show that memory update. Got it ready to debug into YouTube SEO. What is your channel about and what is your goal? Okay, that's you will see that first step how to make a communication with ChatGPT to get a best result. Now I asked to a best title for this. You provide me PROVRT provide me a TISU friend highly to ভালো করে আমরা কমেন্ট করব HGSLY highly SEO friend FRI different high rank need some high rank SEO friendly TIT elite title BASED based on how to use ChatGPT prompt PROMET prompt. Just look result here. High rank SEO friendly YouTube title for your topic. How to use ChatGPT like a pro. Best prompt and tips for beginner. Just we copy it and now we take description, keyword and so on. Okay, you provide provide me. Okay, provide me a description 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 and SU tag high rank SEO tag BASED based on THIS TITLE title. Okay, provide me a description and high rank SEO tag based on this title. SEO tag within WITH within 500 word already word. Okay, just look at this result. YouTube description. Unlock the full potential of ChatGPT within step-by-step guide of this. In this video, we cover what is ChatGPT and how to its work, best promote strategy for beginners. Dear viewers, you are looking that here use a description, a title, bold for highlight number and use emoji, tick mark, and so on. That's look at this here. Time temperers use it, connect with website and so on. Here provide tight tag for ChatGPT. Just copy it. Okay, we are all copy right now. Unlock of all or okay, we just copy and use for our video purpose. Okay, doesn't matter. That's enough today. Now we go to our YouTube channel to upload this video. Okay, let's check it out. What? Okay, let's check it out. How to upload our video on channel to best result, get a best result for this. Thank you. Today's enough. Assalamu alaikum.